elderly man in Ohio with warrants for his arrest is currently driving his lawnmower on the roadway. When officers attempt to pull him over, they get in the weirdest pursuit of their entire careers.
51. We're gonna stop him. Oh, he's going around another unit left of center. Do you know what Southway?
Happy to know Southway.
51, is he continuing north?
Yeah, we're at the intersection right now. Yep, he's going eastbound. Eastbound on Southway, going about 4 mile an hour on the Lawnmower Toro. No license plate.
Happy eastbound on Southway, 4 miles an hour.
He just waved his hand as to wave me off.
13 to 50, what do you want to do? I'm westbound on Southway. I see him coming. Maybe we'll get lucky and he'll stop.
I dare you to let me build you a completely free e-commerce store, preloaded.
We're headed towards the construction zone, no traffic. Eastbound, Southway at Denmont, 9 to 10 mile an hour.
Happy eastbound on Southway at Denmont, 10 mile an hour.
He's going through a yard. He's going through 2 yards northbound.
Happy northbound, 2 yards.
He's continuing through yards. It looks like he's going to come out on Clark. Continuing north through other front yards, 3900 block of Clark. Headed towards Hazelbrook.
Copy, J 900 block of Clark towards Hazelbrook.
The suspect is currently still in the yards to the right. As these officers redirect themselves, another officer and former track star runner attempts to make contact.
I know. He's crazy. Back where you go. Traveling with the property. Go lawnmower now! Log a taser deployment. Continue east. Correction. Continue west. Continue west.
And he's back out on Clark, or not Clark. Headed to Hazelbrook. Northbound towards the storage unit.
Looks like you may have turned around.
in your neighborhood. He's going back east. He tried to run over 30. He's going back to Hazelbrook. You all right? Yeah.
The taser's not doing anything to him.
He's got that thick coat on.
Okay, we're going to terminate this. We know who he is. He's not going to stop. He's out of control.
30 tried to get him off the mower. He tried to run him over.
Okay, we'll file charges.
The taser's ineffective because he has that big coat on.
Yeah. We'll just file felonious assault on him.
He had a thick jacket on, didn't even penetrate it. I lit him up, Bill lit him up.
That guy's out of control.
You're okay.
Yeah. You see me go for a ride?
He's at Denmont in the backyard.
Is he stopped?
He's making a loop back out to Hazelbrook.
Okay, all units, stop chasing. He's not going to stop. We'll just file for warrants on him.
Some crazy guy trying to run over people on a mower. Never know what you're gonna see.
Over the course of the next day, the suspect was taken into custody for his original warrants that started this whole incident. He was then released on bond. However, due to officers filing new charges on him for his actions on the lawnmower, they need to take him into custody again, which won't go smoothly.
How we doing? Bill around?
Not yet, but he's supposed to be here shortly.
Who's he with?
I got my friend Miss Linda picking him up. He was down at the Sheets, so I asked her if she would go pick him up and bring him back. So they should be here like within the next 10 minutes.
Okay. What does she drive?
The Mazda SUV today. Just
Okay.
a silver Mazda SUV.
All right. I have that report to finish. I'm going to sit up here at the corner. Okay.
Did you guys track down his stupid mower that he was evading yesterday on?
Yeah, we have his mower. Crazy Bill.
Oh, he's a nut.
I don't know why he does the things he does.
Well, I can explain that to you, why he do it. Because he's old, he's senile, and he got a whole lot of dementia going on. He's got a whole lot of this, that, and the other going on with his wife stealing his money, moving to Thailand. He's just all stressed out. He's discombobulated.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what it is. I know that for a fact.
51, that's the vehicle right there, that silver one that just turned.
Come on!
Holding traffic.
30, I'm out. All right, Bill.
All right, now what the hell you guys want?
Come on. Do you have any pocket knives or anything like that on you?
I got a machine gun.
You do? Do you have any pocket knives?
I got a weapon.
I don't have my gloves on. I'll just check them real quick.
Oh, Christ, I ain't got nothing. Whoa, don't knock me over.
Come on back here, Bill.
That one.
Yep, this one right here.
We like to get
30, you
back
can
in the
log
car
on.
again?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Why?
For yesterday. So what you got arrested for yesterday was for the warrants that you had already before that. And then what you're getting arrested for today is what you did yesterday.
Oh, come on. Driving a lawnmower.
All you had to do was stop.
Well, they charged me $600 the last time I stopped.
Well, now you're
me.
facing a bunch of charges.
They towed my lawnmower.
We did. You're right.
I didn't have $600 to mow the grass.
Hey, John.
What is there a law against driving a lawnmower?
Have a seat,
I'm
bud.
serious.
I'll put the windows down for you, okay?
Good idea. I'm getting arrested for what I did yesterday.
Yep.
If I know that, I wouldn't have come home.
I probably agree with that. You saw us there, that's why you turned down this way.
Huh?
I said you saw us there, that's why you guys turned down this
Well, I
way.
figured you guys up to something no good.
I'd prefer not to deal with you, Bill, to be honest with you.
Well, if it doesn't crazy, I'm handicapped and older.
All right, Bill.
Oh, look so
Come
sad.
on,
Smile.
What's that? Come on.
I said smile.
Come on.
Oh, I can't get my foot off from under the damn seat. You got a kind of a smidge for midgets back here. Look. Where's the dog?
It's right there. You don't see it?
It's invisible. 85 years old. You're 83. I was born in 1940. That's not good.
Straight in there, Bill.
Imagine looking outside and thinking you're getting free landscaping, only to realize it's a police chase. Only in this job do you learn fast that people will use the weirdest